Cidade aqui. Pega, moleque! Pega esse CJ errando no corredor, família.
Today, we are going to talk about an impactful and important topic: motorcycle accidents. The roads are filled with dangers, and motorcyclists, even with all the protection, are susceptible to unexpected situations. A fraction of a second can change everything. In this video, we will analyze some of the most impressive accidents, offering valuable tips on how to avoid them. It is essential to remember that safety on two wheels begins with responsibility when riding. Using proper gear, obeying traffic laws, and maintaining focus are measures that can save lives. We will share accounts from survivors and experts to highlight how prevention can make a difference. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated on traffic safety and other relevant topics, subscribe to our channel. Click the subscription button and activate the bell to receive notifications. Your safety and the safety of everyone around you are our priority. Join us on this journey towards safer roads. Don't forget to leave a like and share with friends who also need to stay alert. Together, we can make a difference.
Hey, hell man, you ain't gonna tell me shit.
Look, I got kids in my motherfucking trunk.
Did you see what the fuck you just
I
did
don't
to me?
care.
I got that shit on goddamn camera.
I don't care.
No, bullshit. What the fuck? Pular, man.
Olha aí. Meu Deus.
¿Cómo están, muchachos? Yo lo veo a ustedes muy bien.